All right, guys, these are the VW e-Golf modules. They are assembled in 3 parallel 4 series modules. The bus bars are welded together, and each battery you see in here is rated at 75 amp hours, which is tested at 72 amp hours. So the cell voltage, maximum cell voltage, is a 4.1 volt. And just check it out, the normal voltage is 3.6 volts, minimum is 3.0 volt. The module voltage maximum is 16.4. So these are 12 volt modules you see in here, 12 volts. Like I said, it's 3 parallel 4 series modules. So if you can see it here, if you charge these batteries to the top, this battery can give you 16.4 volt. The minimum nominal voltage is a 14.4, with the minimum voltage is a 12 volt. Then that means your battery is already discharged. It's going to be in that 50% capacity. But the maximum voltage on this thing is a 16.4. So each cell is a 1.1 volt. So, and the pack, each pack can pick up to about 600 amp hours. And continuous current, if it goes continuously, is going to be 350 amp hours. These batteries are manufactured by Sanyo. Okay, and the module size, the length is a 14 inches and is a 6 inches the width. The height is 4 inches and the weight is 21.5 pounds. So it's not that heavy at all. See, it's well packaged, it's well thin. So this one you can do for since they are 12 volt modules, they're rated for 12 volt configuration. So you can do a 48 volts right there at a 75 amp hours rated, which is tested for 72. You can do a 12, 24 volts on this one configuration. You are fine. So let's take them off from the box so you guys can able to see exactly, and see exactly the way everything is set up. Stay tuned for that. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow me along into this video series that is I'm going to be starting here, like I did for the Leaf. All right. I'm hoping you guys will follow this and you guys can contribute towards this entire project, like you guys are always with me when we do this stuff. So these are new series I'm going to be showing you guys. I don't know if other people already have them out there, but hey, I just want to give you guys, because you guys are my guys, and I want to make sure that you guys always got the best. You guys always have to see or witness new technology, and there are a lot of stuff out there. The Volt and the Nissan, BMWs, and these we're talking about Volkswagen, which is the German made. But the manufacturer of these cells itself is Sanyo. Stay tuned. All right, folks. Well, these are the batteries. Sorry, these are the batteries, and I'm gonna just show you exactly how the batteries look like right now with all the specs I just gave you earlier. And they have some 2 screws here I'm gonna take off. Then you can able to see the cells inside, different cells, or how the cells are series and parallel. Which, remember, I told you there's 3 parallel 4 series to give you the 14.4 nominal, and supposed to be at full charge. They're supposed to read at 16.4. So right now, let's check the voltage of these batteries. I hope you can see on the meter right here. I'll try the best I could. And let's just try to stick the probes here and stick it right here to see the voltage which they send the batteries with. At this point, if you can see, it's reading at 14.18 on the left corner battery. And let's try the other one here. And if it's gonna stay, it's gonna stay. Okay. And okay, didn't get it. This one is not contacting right here. So let's see. Yep, you see that? 14.9, 14.19. And let's try the other one back here. 14.18. So let's try this other one here. 14.18. So if you look at it, this one has 0.1 is a millivolt differential. Well, these are the batteries, folks. I just want to show you the unboxing, and I can read the specs one more time. The peak time on these batteries, peak current is 600 amps, and the continuous current will be 350 amps. The weight of these batteries, the length is 14 inches, the width is 6 inches, the height is 4 inches, and they are just 21.5 pounds. And each cell is maximum voltage on the cell is 4.1, and nominal is 3.6. So we can go through those by the time we're going to be doing the next video, the series. Then you can see, and they are rated at 75 amp hours, but tested at 72 amp hours. 3 parallel, 3 series. So this is what I have for you guys for today, and make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to be bringing you more details about these batteries, which I'm going to be dissecting. Open this cover. There's a special tool right here. I'm just too excited for this test. So special tool, I'm going to make sure I find this one, get this one open. Then you can see the individual cells, and we're going to be testing them if they reach the 4.1. But at the specs I gave you right now, if you do the calculation, which they're sitting at 14.1, you will know exactly what's the cell.